Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam. In today's video we will unbox and review the December India's Bliss box, which is priced at Rs 799 including shipping. So let's get started. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the box looks like. It says India's Bliss box on it and it's a normal brown cardboard box. So the first product, which is a makeup product, is kind of a star product for this month. It's by the brand Wet n Wild, which is a very well-known brand and a good brand. This is their High Shine Formula Lid Gloss, and I have ordered this crystal clear color, but you will get shade options. They have like reds, pinks and different shades in this, but I wanted a crystal clear one so that I can apply it on any color and it looks good. It just adds on a little bit of gloss to it. The shade 6543B crystal clear, and here are all details about the product mentioned. I have used lip gloss from Wet n Wild and it was good, so I'm definitely happy to receive this. Then moving on to the skincare, we have a product from a very well-known brand, Fuchsia. This is their natural handmade face and body mist in the variant Relax. It has the lavender fragrance and it's a 100 ml full size. It's quite a huge size, and the price of this is 450 rupees, manufactured in June 2018 and best before 24 months. And here are the ingredients mentioned. As you can see, it has some amazing ingredients. You can actually use it as a face toner as well, since it has all the good ingredients of a toner too. It has a very good floral fragrance and it comes with a spray nozzle like this, so you can attach this and use it. So definitely a good product. I'm happy to receive it. And the second skincare product here is by Asta Berry, and this is a wine shampoo with conditioner. It says it's for long and healthy hair, made from real black grapes. It's manufactured in March 2018 and best before Feb 2021, and the price of this is 150 rupees for this 200 ml size. Here are more details about the product and all the ingredients I mentioned as well. It does have good proteins and grapefruit extract, etc. It does have SLES as well, so this is not an organic product, but it comes in a very nice packaging like this. It seems like a wine bottle itself, so I'm definitely happy with it. It has a good fragrance too. It has the fragrance of grapes, kind of like wine grape kind of fragrance, so I really like the fragrance as well. This will be a good shampoo if you don't have any hair issues. This is definitely good. And the last and final product in the makeup or skincare category is the small perfume vial. It's by the brand Avon, which is pretty good brand, and this is Luck for Her perfume. It's just a small vial and you have to use it before 1/2019, so pretty soon, but it's just 0.6 ml, so this will probably last only a few times, but you can keep it in your handbag. It's very travel friendly. Now after the skincare and makeup, we have a piece of jewelry as well, and again you have a choice of design for this piece of jewelry. I have chosen this pattern. There are different neck pieces in oxidized silver finish, and this is the one I chose. The finishing of this is definitely pretty good, so I am happy to receive this. Then moving on to the lifestyle and the favorite section of mine, we have got this shower cap, which in my opinion is a very good product to include. It's not included in many subscription boxes till now, but this is a very useful product. If you're someone who has long hair, you can definitely use it on day-to-day basis. So I'm very happy with that. And then comes the favorite product of mine in the entire December edition. It looks like a strawberry. It's very cute, but this is actually a shopping bag. So when you open it like this, it opens up into this full size bag. It's quite a huge bag. It has some floral pattern as well, and it has these handles. So this is a very useful product, especially since the plastics are banned. We don't get polythene wrappers and we have to carry some bag like this most of the times when you go out for shopping. So this is very useful. It is quite stiff and it will carry pretty much a good weight as well. So I am very happy with this product. This is my most favorite product in the box, a very useful addition. Now after this we have some sweet treats. There are two of these lollipops by Jolly Ranchers in the flavor strawberry, and there is a pack of dairy milk shots as well, the 10 rupees pack. So these are some complimentary gifts along with the pack. So that was all in my December edition India's Bliss box, and I'm definitely happy. We have got a good mix of skincare, makeup, jewelry and lifestyle products. My favorite section was of course the lifestyle products. I loved both of them, and overall for the price tag I feel it is value for money. If you guys liked it and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. You'll also find the link to the giveaway running on my channel right now. If you haven't already, definitely do check it out and participate. It's a huge giveaway with 5 hampers and products worth 20,000 rupees to be won. So don't miss your chance. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.